Hey friends, today we'll create 10 fun school hairstyles that are effortless and hitless. So let's jump in. For our first hairstyle, we want to select our top section, like making a half-up ponytail, and we want to brush it lightly. I like to leave my bangs in the front, but that's totally optional. Then we want to tie our hair twice. Here, guys, I'll suggest you to use a stretchy elastic. Then we want to bring our hand through the elastic and under our hair, and we want to twist our hair and our elastic with it. Then we want to bring this loop over our created ponytail, pinch and pull. I decided to pin it from the sides, that's optional. And voila, we're ready! For the next one, again, we want to select our top. We'll leave just a little bit of our section in the back. And we want to tie it. I decided to tie it with a clear elastic so it will not unravel. Also, I like to double my rubber elastics just in case. And then we want to tie our... Bring this ponytail up and we want to tie another ponytail right behind it. On last time, make sure to pull your hair just a little bit through, creating a loop. Now you want to bring our big ponytail through this loop. Tighten it and then we'll cover it again. If you have longer hair like me, you want to bring our underneath ponytail one more time over our loop and tuck it into the elastic underneath. So thick and beautiful, right? Next, again I leave my bangs in the front and we'll select our top section, like creating a half-up ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, so brush it well. And then we'll use a clear elastic to tie our half-up ponytail. And last time, make sure to pull it just a little bit through to create again a loop. Divide our ends into two and bring our loop through the opening that we are creating like now in the middle, and we want to bring it up, tighten and pull it to make it full and voluminous. Loosen it a bit and we're done. Next, again we'll leave some hair in the front, like so. Then we want to tie a section. You want to bring it behind your ears, making a ponytail. You want to make an opening and bring it through the opening, loosen it a bit. Then dividing all the hair into two and grabbing our ponytail and hair left, we want to tie it. Last time, make sure to pull your hair just a little bit through to create a loop again. Loosen your ponytail to make it effortless looking, and then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it around the elastic to cover it and tuck it into the elastic the ends like I'm showing. Pinch and pull to make it voluminous and effortless looking, and you want to repeat these steps on opposite side. So basically, you select half of your hair left and you want to tie it. Make an opening, bring your ponytail through it, loosen it a bit, and then selecting all hair left, you want to tie it, creating a ponytail. Last time, pull your hair just a little bit through again. Wrap it and tuck it into the elastic to cover your elastics, and our double bun hairstyle is ready. For the next one, we want to select our hair behind our ears and clip it away for later. Then you want to select two sections in the front and twist them around each other. Now you want to add more hair to the front section and bring it back. So basically we'll create a row braid. So you add hair to the front section and bring it back, twisting it. So you want to continue until you have no more hair to add, like that. We'll finish with a simple row braid, so basically you twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. Bring it behind your ears, select a section from behind your ears and tie it with a clear elastic. Make sure everything is nice and tight and repeat on opposite side. So again, you grab a section on the top, divide it into two and twist it. Then you want to add more hair to the front section and bring it back. So you want to continue until you have no more hair to add and reaching your ear level. And you want to finish with the row braid. Basically twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. Select a section from behind your ears, tie it with your row braid and tighten. And you're done. For the next one, we want to make a deep side parting and we want to select our section with less hair. You want to make a row braid again, make sure it's nice and loose. When you reach your ear level, make sure to finish with a simple row braid. Basically, you twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way and you fix it with a clear elastic. Grabbing our heavy side, select a section on top, divide it into two, and again you want to twist it, then add hair to the front section and twist it until you have no more hair to add. When you reach your second braid and all hair left, make sure to divide all your section into three and make a 3-strand braid, so this way it will not unravel. If you need, you can pull a little bit your braid to make it fuller and voluminous. Finishing your braid, make sure to tie it with a clear elastic, pinch and pull, and our braid is ready. Next, gathering all our hair in the back, like making a middle ponytail. We want to loop it like I'm showing, but make sure to tie it from the middle. If your hair is longer, you want to wrap it several times, creating these loops. Then you want to make an opening and bring your loop up. Pinch and pull to create beautiful effect of our created bun. Also, I decided this time to add some accessories, but that's optional of course. Next, we want to select our top section, like creating a half-up ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and tied with a clear elastic. Remember, I do double my hair elastics, okay? Then we want to make an opening and bring our ponytail through it. Tighten. Then adding more hair from underneath. Divide it into two, bringing your ponytail as well. You want to begin a French braid. Basically, you cross side strands over the middle one and then you add more hair to the side strands before crossing over the middle one. So basically, you add hair to the side strand and cross it over the middle one. So I want to continue over and over until you have no more hair to add, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid. You want to pinch and pull your braid to make it as full and as voluminous as you like, and then you want to tie it with a clear elastic. And our effortless braid is ready. Next, I'll leave my bangs in the front again, divide all my hair into two, and we want to make 2 high pigtails. Yes, it looks fun, but let me finish my hairstyle. You'll see how beautiful it turns out. When our pigtails are ready, we want to grab them and we want to tie them both. And then you want to twist the ends around created bun like I'm showing to cover our elastics. Make sure to use bobby pins and grips to fix our ends in place. Also, I'll suggest you to use some hairspray. And look how beautiful our high bun is. Nice, right? Next, gathering all our hair into a middle to high ponytail, I'll tie it with a clear elastic again. I'm doubling my elastic just in case. Then we want to bring our ponytail forward. Selecting 2 sections from the side, we'll bring them in the middle and we want to tie it. And again, we want to add more hair from the sides to the front, tie them again. So you want to continue these steps over and over again to create our voluminous braid. You want to pinch and pull if you need, but I like so much the volume it gives. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to us on Hairstyles for more. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!